Hi, my name is Stephanie Loveless, and I'm a biology professor here at DACC. I teach a variety of biology courses, ranging from those geared towards students that are going on in the field of science to those for students that simply need a life science credit on their transcript. Biology 102 is designed for students that are planning on taking more science classes in their future as they prepare for a career in the science field. Whether it's in our fabulous nursing program here at DACC or transferring to a different institution with a biology-focused major. We have found that students that begin with an introductory biology course are significantly more successful in their future classes. This class is built to introduce foundational concepts of biology. We cover topics such as the cell, genetics, and introduce many critical concepts essential to physiology. In lab, we explore the application of these ideas as students learn important techniques like using microscopes to look at various cells and tissues. They explore enzyme function, pig dissection, and other really neat topics such as DNA electrophoresis. Biology 102 works as a life science credit on your transcript as well, unlike many of the other science major biology classes, so it will count towards your associate's degree or be transferable to a different institution. So if you are interested in a career in a biology-related field, please don't hesitate to contact me.